What's the story, Wishbone? What's this you're dreaming of? Such big imagination on such a little bug. What's the story, Wishbone? Do you think it's worth a look? It kinda seems familiar, like a story from a book. Shake a leg now, Wishbone, let's wag another tail. Sniffing out adventure with Wishbone on the trail. Come on, Wishbone, what's the story, Wishbone? What's the story, Wishbone? What's the story, Wishbone? What's the story, Wishbone?
Fresh air, big sky, a whole new world. This is the meaning of adventure. One dog, alone and brave, face to face with Mother Nature. And Wanda. And Ellen. And Sam. And David. And Joe.
Hey there, boy. You knew we'd catch up sooner or later.
Just a minute, Joe. I'm at one with nature. Okay.
We have arrived. My friends, I give you the Trumbull Barn.
It's beautiful. It looks just like the barn he described in Blackbeard's Horseshoe. It's my favorite Trumbull book.
Oh, I love that book too, Sam. You know, Mr. Trumbull really did have a horse named Blackbeard. Why, rumor has it that after Blackbeard died, he nailed his horseshoe somewhere into the wall of this barn.
Are you serious?
What's so special about this horseshoe?
Well, in the book, whoever owns the horseshoe has the courage to go anywhere, no matter what the risk.
To be a true explorer. Oh, it's a shame it's being torn down.
Oh, Miss Gilmore, I have to go inside that barn before it's gone. I need to find Blackbeard's horseshoe.
That's impossible, Samantha. The barn is condemned.
That's right. I just wanted you to see it from here before it's gone. Well, let's move on.
Can I have that?
The map? Well, sure.
Thanks. I mean, I just wanted it as a souvenir.
Let's go, people.
Hey, Sam. Hello. What are you waiting for?
I'll be back, Blackbeard. I'll be back.
Do I feel an adventure coming on? Let's see. Sam's curious, and she's courageous, and she's a kid. Oh, yeah. That definitely spells adventure. It also spells Treasure Island, written by Robert Louis Stevenson in 1883. It's a story of danger on the high seas and hidden treasure in a faraway place. It begins on the coast of England at the Admiral Benbow Inn. Oh, by the way, my name is Jim Hawkins. Working in a grog shop is not the life for me. I should be out there and beyond.
Ah. 15 men on a dead man's chest. Yo-ho-ho, and a bottle of rum.
Good evening, sir. Can I get you something to drink? Of course, if you prefer self-service, go right ahead.
This is the berth for me. Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you. Stow it away. Now, listen to me, mate, and listen real good. This
is a silver fourpenny. You'll get one of these every month from me, as long as you keep your eyes open for a seafaring man with one leg. Understand? Beware the seafaring man with one leg.
Man on the dead man's chest. Yo ho ho! And a bottle of rum.
I rather liked our mysterious guest. He was a fine excitement in a quiet life.
Drink and the devil's done for the rest. Yo ho ho! And a bottle of rum. Everybody! 15 men on the dead man's chest. Yo ho ho! And a bottle of...
Okay, party's over. Cleaning up after him was another story.
Will any kind friend inform a poor blind man in what part of the country may he be now?
You are at the Admiral Benbow, sir.
I hear a young voice. Now take me to the man with the sea chest.
Sir, I'm afraid...
Take me in straight, boy, or I'll break your... What the... bones. Billy Bones. Aren't you going to greet your old shipmate? Come here. Come here. Give me your hand.
Bad news?
A black spot. My death is near. Listen. Inside the sea chest. The map.
Map?
Be careful. Beware the seafaring man with one leg.
The map? They want the map! Let's see, where's the map? Tobacco, rum, pistol, pretty seashell, lots of trinkets. Ooh, nice compass. Aha! The map! Sadly, Bones had died and I had inherited his map. At once, I alerted Dr. Livesey. He was the most upright gentleman I knew.
Hurry up, Doctor. Suspense is killing me. Patience, Squire. Patience.
Livesey was accompanied by Squire Trelawney, an enthusiastic gentleman.
It's just as I suspected, Livesey. It bears the initials of Captain John Flint.
Captain Flint?
The most bloodthirsty buccaneer ever to sail the seven seas.
Is there a great fortune here?
Greater than you can imagine. We must set sail immediately.
Yes.
You, Livesey, will be ship's doctor. I shall be admiral. And you, Jim Hawkins, you will make a most famous cabin boy.
Prepare yourself, Jim. It could be dangerous.
Aye, aye, sir! You know, something just told me we'd be coming back here.
What are we doing here? I'm gonna find that horseshoe.
You went heard what my mom and Miss Gilmore said. It's condemned.
We'll be fine. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared either.
That's funny. I'm terrified.
The weather doesn't look so good, guys.
Come on, I've brought us this far.
That's right, Sam. The voyage has begun and you're the captain. Let's just hope it's a safe trip. Our ship was the Hispaniola, a first-rate schooner. Naturally, the first room I explored was the galley. And for you landlubbers in the audience, that's the kitchen.
Yo, and a bottle of rum.
That sounds familiar.
Why, shiver me timbers. You must be Jim Hawkins, the cabin boy. This here's me good friend, Captain Flint.
An animal that talks. Remarkable. And who might you be, sir?
Why, my name is Long John Silver. I'm ship's cook.
Be careful. Beware the seafaring man with one leg.
It's a pleasure to meet you, matey.
Yes. As we continued our journey, I watched Silver narrowly and soon made a fateful discovery. Time for a snack. If I can just reach those apples. Whoops! Ouch.
Our men are beginning to clamor, Silver. When do we strike?
Let 'em clamor, Israel hands. I'll have that treasure map soon enough. Then we can deal with Livesey, the squire, and the boy.
You know what they say. Dead men don't bite.
Dead?
Trust me. We'll do what we must to get that treasure.
Silver's a pirate.
Get me an apple, hands, so I can wet my pipe.
I'm an apple. I'm an apple. Please let me be an apple.
What the? Whoa, forget the apple. This calls for rum.
Oh no. This is awful. So, we had come to the island. I was as scared as any young boy would be in my position. But I also knew that, strange as it seems, safety would come through me. I don't know, guys.
Can you imagine what this place was like when Blackbeard was alive?
Sam, I think we should go.
Look, guys, I'm not leaving until I find that horseshoe.
That's it, Sam. We're leaving and you're coming with us. We're trapped.
Okay, boys. A 1, a 2, a 3, charge! Ooh, something tells me that hurt.
I'm really sorry, guys.
Don't be sorry, Sam.
The main thing now is just to stay calm.
And dig! Come on, everybody! Dig! 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 Let's go! 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 Go!
Hey, guys, look at this.
I found a hole.
He found a hole.
Thank you.
Wishbone can fit. He can run for help.
Yeah, but how will they know where we are?
You take the map. Here, Wishbone. Go on.
Don't worry, guys. I won't let you down. Eat your heart out, Lassie. I warned Dr. Livesey, the squire, of Long John Silver's dastardly plans. They ordered me to stay in my cabin while the crew went ashore. Of course, this was impossible. I wanted to help, and I needed adventure. The joy of exploration. Who goes there?
Promise not to harm me.
I promise not to harm you. I just want to speak to you.
I'm poor Ben Gunn, I am. I haven't spoken with a soul for 3 whole years.
3 years? Were you shipwrecked?
Nay, mate, marooned, left behind. I've lived on wild berries all these years, but my heart is sore for cheese. You wouldn't happen to have a piece of cheese about you now, huh?
No, poor sir. But if I ever get aboard my ship, you shall come with me and have all the cheese you want.
Bless your stars, boy. I'll make a rich man of you for this. I'm rich, I am. I'm the richest man alive.
Of course you are. It's the wild berries. Does it to them every time. Where's he off to?
Top of the morning, Jim. You're just in time for the treasure hunt.
Oh, I hope that's not the case, Gloria. All right. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Thanks. Amanda's mother knows nothing.
Well, David's parents are out searching everywhere. Oh, Ellen, what are we going to do?
I don't know. Walter, any luck?
Nothing. What about you?
Nothing. I'm calling the police.
Who needs a police? Hello? Why don't they put the doorbell a little lower?
Wishbone?
Ellen!
He's got something in his teeth.
Ellen, get your car keys. I know where they are.
There's got to be another way out of here.
Hey, what about the loft? The loft has a door, doesn't it?
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey, and there's a ladder. Sam, what are you doing? Here, help me.
No way, Sam. This thing won't hold any of us.
Well, better, because I'm going up there and we're getting out. So help me.
Okay.
Give me a boost.
Sam, be careful!
Are you okay? I'm okay, guys.
Hang on, kids. We're coming to the rescue! Silver had stolen the map, and I was his prisoner. I felt like I was on a leash.
Well, Hawkins, have you come round, Danny? Are you in with us?
Never! Kill me, if you please. I no more fear you than I fear a fly.
We'll see about that. You're within a half a plank of death, Hans. Jim Hawkins is a right sort of man, braver than the lot of you.
Silver was a smart man. He stood up for me because he knew I might one day be able to save him.
Now, according to the map.
Dead man ahead! Dead man ahead!
He was a seaman.
15 men on a dead man's chest. Yo ho ho, where the buckle from?
It's the voice of the dead man, it is.
He was no crooner, that's for sure.
Let's go back.
Gentlemen of fortune never turn back. There's 700,000 pounds, not a quarter of a mile from here, and this old seaman's pointing the way. Huzzah, mates! All together! Ah!
Joe, look, there's a fire! Sam! Hurry! The pond's on fire!
Blackbeard's horseshoe. Hey guys, I found it!
Hurry, Sam! It's getting worse! Please, Sam, do something!
I've got an idea! Hey guys, come towards my voice! There's a hole in the roof by the front door!
Okay, we see you!
Okay, I'm gonna lower this rope down to you. When you get it, help me pull, okay guys? Hey, you need to hold on tight when you get it!
Okay.
Pull! 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 Okay, hold it right there. Okay, hold on tight. I'm gonna get on. You guys can lower me down and I'll get you out. Ready? Ready! Goes. Okay, start lowering.
Sam, are you okay?
I'm fine, Dad. Guys, I'm really sorry. Should have never let you guys back there.
Sorry! You rescued us! You let us out!
Yeah, you saved our lives.
That's right, Sam. You came to the brink of disaster, but you saved the day.
Two guineas. 2 stinking guineas. This is your 700,000 pounds, is it?
Say something, Silver.
It is what it is, mate.
Say something else.
And it's time we settled the score. Stay where you are, scoundrels.
How goes it, Jim?
I've been better, Doctor. I'm ashamed of the danger I've caused you. I should have never stowed ashore against orders.
Never mind orders, Jim Hawkins. You saved our lives, you found out the plot, and our new friend Ben Gunn has discovered the treasure.
I'm rich, I am. I told you so. Now I'm going to make a rich man of you.
Pieces of eight! Pieces of eight! Many, many pieces of eight! So we left the island richer than kings. Silver had protected me. So, despite his treachery, we granted him safe passage home. What? He and Captain Flint were not with us long. They escaped with a bag of our treasure somewhere onto the coast of South America. The money mattered little to me, however. I'd had my adventure. I'd been to Treasure Island.
I've called you here today for a very special presentation.
Oh, goody.
Miss Gilmore. The Horseshoe. Thanks.
It was left anonymously at the Historical Society a couple of days after the fire. And Sam, I could think of no one who deserved it more.
What are you thinking, Dad?
Well, on the one hand, I'm disappointed, Sam. That was a foolish thing going into that barn. On the other hand, I'm kind of impressed and proud. You showed a lot of courage, Sam.
Thanks, Dad. And I promise, no more crazy adventures. For now, at least.
Wait a minute. I was just getting started. This little white dog's got places to go, sights to see, trails to blaze, mountains to conquer, rivers to... I'll do it after lunch.
My friends, I give you the Trumbull Barn.
To match the excitement of Treasure Island, we sent Samantha on her greatest adventure, searching for Blackbeard's horseshoe in the Trumbull Barn. The Trumbull Barn may look old, but it's actually brand new. Building a new barn that looks old is a tough job.
It's hard to build something old and that's new. When you see Trumbull Barn, all that wood is brand new. And we had to age it and give it a sense of real decay.
Another reason the barn looks old is because of its setting. We took special care not to disturb the natural environment around the barn.
And I think that alone gave a sense of that barn really having been overgrown by nature through the years.
Don't worry, we didn't burn down the barn after we worked so hard to build it. Instead, we used both special and visual effects to create the spellbinding scene. First, we filmed the scene with the actors in the barn. Using a combination of flame bars and smoke machines, our special effects department created the illusion of a fire. Then we built a model of the barn at a quarter scale, which means it was 1/4 the size of the original. In a safe, controlled location, our team of experts burned the model. Next, our visual effects department went to work. They combined the film of the burning model barn with the film of the real-size barn, and voila! An exciting set for an exciting story! Funding for this program provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by annual financial support from viewers like you.